ओके, तो हमको क्या ड्रॉ करना है SciLAB में? आर यू एबल टू सी माई स्क्रीन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically if this is the time axis, so if this is the time axis t, and let us say 0, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so it is 1 and 2 like this. So 0 से 1 के बीच में it is 1 and 1 to 2 के बीच में it is 2. Okay, so that you can define your xt as, what will be xt? Xt will be 1 when t is in between 0 and 1. When t is between 0 and 1, and it is 2 when t is between 1, let us say 1 पे, and between 2, and it is 0 otherwise. It is 0 otherwise. Otherwise it is 0. So we can define xt to be like this. Now let us think this signal need to be drawn on, this xt need to be drawn on SciLAB. Okay, so we will be using logical operators in drawing this in the SciLAB environment. Suppose we need to draw the given signal xt in SciLAB environment. So how to draw that? First we need to define a t. So let us say t is varying between -2 semicolon, and in these steps of 0, 0, 1 I take it to +5. So t is the axis which is varying from -2 to 5. Okay, -2 to 5, तो इसमें पूरा वेरिएशन आ जाएगा. हालांकि our xt is defined between 0 to 2, but to give it a proper image, we will be taking it to be t to be varying from -2 to 5, -2 to +5. Okay, this is how t is defined. Then xt is defined as 1 dot into logical operator. Logical operator will be when it was 1 when t is between 0 to 1, when t was between 0 to 1. Okay, so I will take it to be t is 1 when t is greater than or equal to 0, then and operator आएगा. t is less than equal to 1. Okay, so in this range the value of xt will be 1. Okay, plus its value will be 2 when t is greater than 2. T is greater than 2. T is greater than 1, and t is less than equal to 2. So this is how our xt will be defined. This is how our xt will be defined, like this logical operator. Okay. This is how xt is this. It is 1 between 0 to 1 and 2 between 1 to 2 and 0 otherwise. So this thing can be written in SciLAB as this expression. So your xt is defined. Next thing is to plot it. Plot it. Oh, some यहाँ पे multiplication लिखना भूल गया. Multiplication. Okay, like this. Okay, now your xt is defined. Now plot 2d2. Continuous time domain का signal है ये. So it will be plot 2d2 and t and xt. T versus xt. This is what we have to plot. So when we plot it, it will be like this. It will be like this. 0 to 2. Like this. Got it? Okay. Second year?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how your graphical window will look like. This is your graphical window of SciLAB if you plot this expression. Okay. Let us suppose there is another signal. Suppose x1t, which is defined like this. It is 1, like this. This is 1, 0, 1 and 2. Like this. Sorry, it is 2. Okay, so in this case x1t will be equal to, now 0 to 1 it is varying like this. It is a straight line. So when you use 2-point formula, as I defined you earlier also, so what will be that? 2-point formula से आ जाएगा y your yt, sorry, x1t, ये 0 0 पॉइंट जाएगा, -0 divided by t -0 will be equal to 1 - 0 and 1 - 0. क्योंकि ये 1 1 पॉइंट है, this is 1 1 point and this is 0 0 point. Okay, so these are the 2 points which we have taken to find out the expression for x1t. So x1t will be t. x1t will be t like this, and it is between, when t is between 0 to 1, and it is 2 when it is between 1 to 2, 1 to 2, like this. Okay, so इसे x1t को प्लॉट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? वही सबसे पहले हमें t डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा, -2 to 5 डिफाइन कर लिया. फिर हमने x1t जो था, x1t was t, तो 1 की जगह t लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, so 1 की जगह t लिखा. It is t between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 it is t, like this. 0 to 1 it is t, and 2 between 1 to 2, like this. Okay, so x1t डिफाइन किया. उसके बाद प्लॉट 2d2 t xt1 किया. CLF कर लेते हैं, CLF किया, क्लियर स्क्रीन हो जाएगी। फिर ये xt1 किया तो आपके पास ये प्लॉट आ जाएगा। ओके, so it is 0 to 1 it is t and 1 to 2 it is 2. 0 to 1 it will be t and 1 to 2 it will be 2, like this. You can always label it using edit the graph करवाया था ना, edit the graph, ये आप इन चीज़ों को यूज़ करके you can always put the labeling of axes and labeling of figure itself. Okay.